अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन। मेरा नाम अहमद मुस्तफ़ा मलिक है और मैं इंग्लिश इन अफंदी टाउन कैंपस पर इंग्लिश इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ। आज मैं आपको एक 13 साल के बच्चे से मिलवाऊंगा जो 7th क्लास में है, जिसकी हम इंग्लिश प्रोग्रेस के बारे में जानेंगे, जो इंग्लिश इन अफंदी टाउन कैंपस में इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज कोर्स में इनरोल्ड है। सो आइए देखिए और जानिए कि वो किस तरह से अपनी प्रोग्रेस के बारे में बात कर रहा है, उसकी इंग्लिश देखिए। हम मौजूद है अपने छोटे शाइनिंग लिटिल स्टार के साथ जिसका नाम है मुर्तज़ा अली। सो डियर मुर्तज़ा, हाउ आर यू?
Sir, I'm good.
May you please introduce yourself?
Sir, this is me, Murtaza Ali. My father's name is Muhammad Ali. I study in 7th class at the Arcadia High School. Currently, I am learning English at the English in Afandi Town campus. My father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket, reading books, listening to short information stories, and playing video games.
That's great, Murtaza. You have a very good hobbies and you have even a very good introduction. So I just want to ask something more in addition, that how can one learn English so confident?
A person can speak English confidently if he is confident. And secondly, we should speak English every day, and we should have small conversation with our family and friends. We should watch English podcast and videos. And second thing, we should focus on our pronunciation by the reading English book. And main thing is English conversation.
That's great, Murtaza. Your speaking is so nice. It's lovely taking your viva. It's lovely taking your interview. I have another question for you. But is that I just want to ask about you, that who forced you or what things forced you to learn English?
Sir, firstly, my mother forced me to learn English. She
Okay.
wants her children to be a good and successful person in the world. Secondly, I saw a lot of people speaking English, and I got inspired by them and thought to learn English. I want to be a very good English speaker, and I am working hard on it.
That's really nice. Okay, so your mother forced you to learn English.
Yeah.
So what are your basically the experience being in English, like in English Institute?
It was a good. It is a good because their teachers are good. Their chefs are good.
Okay, before going to another question which is related to your studies, I want to ask a silly question, a kind of funny question to you. Okay, and that question is: just suppose you are in a boat, okay,
Yeah.
and that boat is sinking. There are three of the people in that boat: me, your teacher, you, and your best friend. You are saved, and you have to choose and save one of us. Who would you choose and why?
So I choose my sir.
You'll choose you'll choose me. Okay, why?
Sir, because I can't speak English.
Then your friend will be, he'll be angry to you if he dies.
I can make new friend.
Oh, that's lovely. Okay, now I have another question to you. That as you know that you are speaking English and you have been enrolled in English in Institute for the longer period of time, I just want to ask that why did you choose English in for English? Like there are a lot of centers also. Why did you choose English?
According to my point of view, English is the best platform to learn English in Hyderabad. And second, because before coming here, I was unable to speak a single word of English. Now you can see I am speaking English very confidently. It is just for English. There are There are 2 hour class, one conversation and one grammar. In grammar class, we learn grammar tricks, and in conversation class, we speak English for 1 hour. And I am feel very blessed that I am a student at English. And best part is there is separate teacher for each class.
That's amazing. Are there separate teachers for separate class?
Yeah.
Oh, what do you do in conversation and grammar class?
Sir, in conversation class we speak English. We speak English for 1 hour, and we deliver the presentation and activity, which improve our English.
Which is the best part of your conversation class? Tell me.
To deliver the
Presentation. And what about grammar class?
to learn any use, which is the work, which do the work for me.
Like which class do you like the most?
Sir, I like grammar class.
You like grammar class. Okay. Have you met any of the friends in your class like conversation or grammar?
No.
No, you don't have any friend. Oh, well, it's really lovely listening you on this break on this platform. Okay, my next question, which could be the last question as well. I just want to ask, and everybody wants to know that you are speaking so nice at this age in this class. You are speaking very lovely, very confidently, very passionately. So, what are the ways to learn English? Like, from how many ways one can learn and speak language?
There are some ways to learn English.
Okay,
We can join any online or physical platform where you will have proper grammar structure and stuff. Then you must practice
very
and
nice.
do what you learn. Learning any language needs persistence, consistency, practice, and courage to learn every day, every minute, every single second by several ways like listening English podcasts, interviews, speech, and presentation and debate. And at least and writing daily at least 100 words are the best way to learn English.
These are the ways that one can learn in speak English.
Yeah.
So I can see that you are very confident. You are the boost. You have the confidence is so boost up. You are the package full time package, and So I just want to ask you and wanna say that what suggestions would you give to our youth, our children who are enrolled in English language course? Where should they go? What should they do for enhancing their English or language? What advice would you give to our children and youth?
A person a person should not do anything. A person do anything and he is learning English. So he can't do the both thing.
Yes.
He should learning English, so he should practice what he learned.
Very nice. He should
And
practice
he
what
should
he learns.
practice-
Okay.
And he should have small conversation,
Very
not
nice.
a big and small.
What is it, by the way? Okay, like, what do you want to be in your future? What are your thoughts
I
about
want
your
to be a
future?
Amazon virtual assistant.
Future?
Amazon.
Amazon, like you want to go for the online earning. Why did you choose this?
Sir, my mother's like me. My
Just
mother's
because of your
like-
mother. What is your wish, basically? No, what
Sir, it's my
It's your wish also. Do you want to become a teacher like me? No, you don't like teaching. Why?
Sir, I don't like.
Do you like me?
Yeah.
So you must be liking the teaching as well. Do I teach good?
Yes. Sir.
Okay, then you should be seeing your teachers that they are teaching very good and passionately with love, support, and all the efforts they are making on you. That's how you have become very good. Okay, so you can see that we are having very well trained teachers in English in Afandi Town campus. There are two different classes like conversation, grammar, and we are providing you the best stuff in those classes. The different teachers are there, and some activities, reading, video class, and a lot of good stuff you can find out. Okay. So thank you so much, Mr. Murtaza Ali, that you have come here and you have given me your precious time. It's lovely taking your viva. Inshallah, I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.